When you're nonchalant, his low effort attitude is a turn on and it signals high SMV. It literally signals that you have high dating value. So let me give you a few examples here. If you're a guy and your whole attitude is, I'm very assertive and I have this temperament about me that is, very masculine and whatever I say goes and I'm the leader and this is me and yes, I'm the one with all the answers. What you're going to find is guys with a more assertive attitude, subconsciously it screams effort. Like the woman starts to look at you and she goes, look at all this effort that this man is putting in. So what I have found to be true when dating women or when interacting with women on dates is all forms of effort with women tends to be anti-seductive. Any and all forms of effort means that you have to try. Anytime you have to try, what you're subconsciously signaling or subconsciously subcommunicating is, hey, me, myself, as I am right here in front of you, I am not enough. And women don't like that. This is why you need to learn, understand, and master the language of women so she never desires to pull away ever again. If you check out what I made for you, it's in my bio, it's in my description. I have a full end-to-end process. You can see this process, you can take this process, you can literally copy-paste this process into your dating life and just go. This took me months to build. This is literally my life's work. Go and check that out. That is why I made this for you. You have to actually start the process of learning, understanding, and mastering the language of women. And that right there is exactly why I made this.